Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details. I want to pull you in real close. We're going to be doing a quick video sharing with you one of my new favorite leather cleaning products. This is a product that is readily available on a retail level. You can pick it up at O'Reilly's. I don't have an O'Reilly's nearby, so I had to order it. But considering this stuff is $11 a gallon, it is so affordable. I don't even know why anybody wouldn't at least try it out. And I guarantee you, if you try it out, you're going to be impressed. This is Superior Products Leather Cleaner. Now, if you have dyed leather seats, first and foremost, if they've been resurfaced, I'm not going to recommend that you use this product because it will strip the leather dye. But if you have very, standard leather seats that are in a majority of modern day vehicles, this is going to be fantastic. You can see we've got some cracking going on in our seats. We've also got here in our texture, we've got a lot of like body oils and just staining that's kind of set into the textures. So first and foremost, we're going to do a vacuum. We're going to get our rigid wet dry vac. We're going to get detail brushes, and we're going to come in here and suck up as much of this loose soiling as possible. And you'd be surprised just how much cleaning and how much better it's going to look after just a thorough vacuum. Then from there, we're going to use our VLR brush. This is my favorite tool to clean leather. A lot of you guys have asked about it. You can pick this up off of Amazon for $8, $9. Even McKee's 37 is selling it. I know Detailed Image, Autoality, they all sell them as well. It's called a VLR brush. Has a felt backed bottom. That kind of sounded funny. But anyways, because of the felt, it can get into the texture of the leather really fantastic. Because of the point, you can get into a lot of these tighter seamed areas and get in there and agitate. Now you will need to have some, one hand pulling away when you're doing your pre-vacuum and also when you're doing your scrubbing. So this isn't, something you can just come in here and do this. You want to have that second hand coming in and pulling the leather bolsters away from one another so you can access that dirt a lot more easily. So, sorry for my hand over the camera. But anyways, we're going to do our pre-vacuum. We're going to recline our seat, and from there we will get this cleaned with all the loose debris gone, and then I'll show you how fantastic this is. We'll do a 50-50, and I'll show you how fantastic this combination is. And then when we're done, because we've got some cracking going on and you can just see it's a little bit dry, we're going to follow up with the leather and vinyl lotion, and I'll show you. I'm going to clean one side, and then we're going to do the leather vinyl lotion. I'm going to show you the finished look so that way you can see it's not a greasy product and what the finished look is. So let's get into it. Alright, so we've done our pre-vacuuming. We got up all of the loose dirt that was in the seams. So now we're just going to come in here. We got it on spray. I'm going to do this part first just because this is the dirtiest and I want you guys to see. So we're just going to come in here, agitate. You want to keep the surface wet. You don't want to let it air dry. If it's a hot day or a humid day or a breezy day, go ahead and just keep misting it. You don't have to have it dripping completely, but you can see, look at the dirty foam. So I know that a lot of times when it comes to seams, a lot of people will say, you steam, things like that. Don't use any sort of brushes because it'll scratch leather. Well, this is not true leather. This is leather or vinyl. And what we're going to do, I have a mother's brush here. We're just going to very lightly come in here, pull the seams apart, and just agitate. We're not pressing down hard. We're not spending too much time in one spot. We're just letting the brushes give us a little bit more of a deep cleaning than our microfiber alone would. Just go along your seams. We're going to come in here. We're just going to mop up. This stuff works. I mean, look at that. That's not dye. That's dirt. Pull your seams apart. Get in there with your microfiber. So if you don't have a steamer, this is a great way to still get a deep cleaning without having to spend a lot of money on expensive tools. If you have a steam cleaner or an air compressor and you want to use those tools, go for it. They're definitely going to speed up the process. But when I teach techniques like this, I'm trying to show the weekend warrior who maybe you don't have the expensive tools in your arsenal. Another trick, you can also use your shop vac and actually suck out the dirt. I actually do that on a lot of my details. I'll just use the shop vac and it sucks up any of the remaining dirty residue. Alright, so we've worked in this section. I'm going to go ahead and do the top part. Typically I would say start at the top, work your way down. I was really excited to get these done. Let's go ahead and pull up our tape. I'm just going to mop up a little bit. Alright. It's coming close. Give me 1 second. Sorry for the shakiness. Alright, so here's our finished look. This is our 50/50. You can see here, this has been conditioned. Now if I were to take my hand, you can see we're not having the lotion transfer, so it's dry to the touch. I don't have any sort of greasy residue. We're able to condition all the bolster cracks that were starting to happen. And here you can see, there's our 50/50. So, really great product. Fantastic quick cleaner when combined with the VLR brush. And then finish it off with the leather and vinyl lotion. And you've got a killer 1-2 punch. So, I hope you guys enjoy this quick kind of product review, also tutorial on how I would go about deep cleaning leather and conditioning. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section down below. I'm gonna finish cleaning the rest of this leather and I'll just kind of show you a quick final walk around once the inside is all done, so that way you can see what the finished look will look like. So here's our before. Everything has been vacuumed. We got some sticky residue. It's just greasy. We got some more sticky residue. So let me finish this up. We'll be right back. Alright, here's our finished look. Sorry about the bad lighting, and I want to try to hurry up because we've got a storm blowing in. It's super windy with the doors open. A lot of debris is blowing in. So you can see we've got a beautiful, clean, consistent look, and the customer is going to be really happy. You know, getting in the seats, we've been able to condition the cracks to try to slow that down. But then here, within our texture, we were able to get all of that body oils and just sweat and dirt, grease, and buildup all out. So there you have it. I'm going to put the link for all the products that I use down below, the Superior Products Leather Cleaner and Conditioner, as well as the VLR Brush. Hope you guys try it out for yourself, and let me know what you think. Let me know if it is something that fits within your world, within your detailing regimen. So thanks guys, we'll see you in the next video.